3-2. Now the question the honorable man, Honorable Heart is asking you, where did you have in the budget line in 2019 where you derived that power to spend that money?
Cairo, don't tell him. See, Cairo, say your friends. Cairo, say friends.
I will check. I don't want to.
Cairo, Jibo, don't tell him. Friends. Cairo, don't tell him. See, Cairo. Cairo, tell him friend. Cairo, say friend. See, I'm saying, don't friend. Cairo, don't get the expo. Friends. It's on the eyes, why you?
1.32 billion. Yes. Now the question the honorable man, Honorable Heart is asking you. Where did you have in the budget line in 2019 where you derived that power to spend that money? That's the question.
I'll provide that answer for you.
Do I ask for peace between you and my enemies? If I do, they will think I'm scared.
Continue.
You think they're wise? Move man.
They stole 81.5 billion. They spent 83 million on consultancy, which has no value. They spent 31.4 billion on COVID-19. I don't know if they are doctors. I don't know what they are doing. There's something called impressed, which is another word for bribery. 790.9 million. Their travel expenses, 486 million. And those supporting them will come and be asking Nnamdi Kanu, please, can you give us an account of a defense fund? They have not seen this. Defense fund they did not contribute to. But this is the funds coming from their own land, from their father's compound. They spent burial to wish people well or condolence, 122.9 million. There's something they call community relations, 1.3 billion. Overseas travel, 85.6 million. Overseas travel to go and do what? I don't know. Maybe to buy houses in Dubai. Maintenance of what? Of their stomach. You know the stomach is protruding, always large. 220 million naira to maintain their stomach, the size of it. Legal services, who is suing them? Nobody knows. 900 million. Lassa fever, 1.956 billion. Security on what? Maybe to go and pay them for bodyguards and because they're criminals. 744 million. Staffing related payments, 8.8 billion. Stakeholders engagement, which means to call village meeting to say we are NDDC, we are here, and God is good. They spent 248 million. And on the projects for which they have been set up, the projects for which they were set up to run, the essence of the NDDC, which is to develop, to build roads, schools, hospitals, how much they spend on those projects? Zero, none. These are the people that will come tomorrow and proudly pay one newspaper or one idiot to write. I'm a Nigerian. Please warn that your Kanu. We are Nigerians. We are here. The idiot writing that garbage will never remember that the person that created Nigeria was not his ancestor. No. He will never tell you that people that came and accidentally created the zoo came as exploitative businessmen that came to Africa to rape Africa. Let me tell you, he's an intellectual. He's intellectual. He's writing intellectually. He will, I don't know, bamboozle you with his degrees from Princeton, from Harvard, from Cambridge, from Oxford, PhD. They call him doc. An absolute idiot. You're calling him doc, prof with an empty brain. Nothing in the brain whatsoever. A prof is defending something that a white girl named an unmarried white girl. A tramp, an English tramp named you Nigeria, and you're a professor, and you're answering Nigeria. You're not ashamed of it. You have no shame. There is no shame before you. That is why they kill you in America. That is why they kill you in China. That is why they pursue you and they detain you in India. Because they have looked at a black man. A black man is a disgrace unto himself. Foolish professors, foolish PhD holders, without brain, without any brain. Now listen, NDDC was set up to execute projects. How many projects did they execute? None, zero, zilch, zero, not. And tomorrow morning, another idiot from somewhere will be writing an epistle, please fund NDDC. We need money for NDDC, because he or she knows that a few chicken change is coming their way. That is your one Nigeria. Now, you want me that is learned to be a part of that garbage? Is that what, seriously, is that what you think? When I left UNN, I told my father that if I continue at University of Nigeria and Soka, I will go into reverse. I told my father, yes, I am intelligent. I can't be here. You better send me to England. He said no. I packed my bags and I went home. When he got tired, he sent me to England to go and study. I said, because I cannot be here. I can't be here. Seeing all this nonsense. Ordinary toilet, there is no water coming to flush the toilet at a premium university. I said, what type of rubbish is this? Why do we reason the way we reason? At the government college, when the white man came, they built WC water system. Water was running. As soon as the whites left and the blacks started becoming the principal of my school, we started digging pit toilet. Today, Cousin's house has gone. Cousin's house, where I was, no longer exists. It has crumbled completely. But there's money for education. There's education budget. Oh. But somebody's, and you want me to be in that type of country, yes? Thunder fire, all of you. All of you are criminals, all of you. All of you with your one nigger. God will punish all of you and your generations to come. I swear, God will punish all of you. Any idiot talking about one Nigeria, God will punish you and your family forever and ever.
Who are like my junior brothers, except for like they say it's up to 60, I don't know. I'm 60 plus. So you are near my age, but I'm at least 7 years older than you, I'm sure. I'm the same age with your mentor in Lagos, Asiwaju. And I was governor with him at the same time. He was a senator, I was a senator. I'm a two-time minister, he isn't a two-time minister.
But he won all his elections very well.
No problem about that. Just like you won your own in Kogi State very well.
Yes.
And you are now the deputy governor and governor of Kogi State.
Mr. Minister, please respond.
I'm responding, my friend. If you yab me, I yab you 10 times.
I won.
I'm a Lagos boy. I'm a Lagos boy. You are just a small boy in Lagos. Look at this boy. Mushim boy is talking to a VI boy. I live in Victoria Island. Look at Mushi boy. From Kogio. You are Oborobo. Just go. I don't get time for you. Kilo share.